Fookoo HD Wireless RV Camera DW7Y503 Review. 360 degrees safety and night vision magic. Ever felt nervous reversing your RV, trailer, or truck? Blind spots, awkward angles, and limited visibility leave you stressed, fumbling, and second-guessing every move. Ordinary mirrors and old cameras just aren't enough. They waste your time, energy, and peace of mind. You need a system that shows the full picture, keeps you confident, and lets every backup and lane change feel effortless. Crushing deadlines, late-night arrivals at campgrounds, or tight parking spots amplify frustration. Each misjudged maneuver risks damage, injury, or costly repairs. Anxiety builds as stress and fatigue mount, making every drive tense. Without reliable monitoring, blind spots silently sabotage your journey. The stakes are high, and mistakes are expensive. You deserve clarity, control, and stress-free navigation. Meet the Fookoo HD Wireless RV Backup Camera System DW7Y503, your ultimate visibility upgrade. Featuring a 7-inch split-screen monitor, it simultaneously displays rear and side cameras for complete situational awareness. IR night vision keeps you safe in low light, while IP69 waterproof cameras endure rain, dust, and dirt. Dual antennas ensure a stable signal up to 200 feet, even at highway speeds. Installation is plug-and-play with Furrion pre-wired RVs, no drilling required. One RV traveler shared, backed into a tight campsite at midnight. Spot on, no stress, total confidence. With recording functionality, looped footage preserves memories or evidence. Wide-angle lenses capture every detail, and auto-dimming prevents glare. Say goodbye to blind spots, guesswork, and shaky signals. Fookoo transforms every reverse, lane change, and parking maneuver into a smooth, precise, and worry-free experience. The DW7Y503 isn't just a backup camera. It's a revolution for RV, truck, and trailer drivers. Experts rave about its 1080p HD clarity, split-screen monitoring, and night vision that outperforms premium systems. Influencers highlight effortless Furrion plug-and-play installation, saving hours of hassle. Real customers report safer reversing, stress-free lane changes, and reduced risk of accidents in tight spots. The dual antennas deliver reliable wireless transmission, keeping images stable even in extreme conditions, while IR sensors automatically adjust brightness for perfect visibility. Curious why RV enthusiasts, truckers, and overlanders swear by it? One full-time RVer exclaimed, "Caught a deer approaching at 3 a.m. thanks to the night vision. Couldn't have reacted without it." Built for durability, accuracy, and peace of mind, this system handles rain, dust storms, and busy highways with ease. From campsite maneuvering to cross-country adventures, Fookoo gives drivers confidence, safety, and a clear view of every corner. Discover why this affordable, high-performance camera system is rapidly becoming the go-to choice for seasoned drivers everywhere. Don't risk blind spots or costly mistakes. Upgrade with the Fookoo HD Wireless RV Backup Camera DW7Y503 today. Limited stock is flying off the shelves. Join thousands of RV owners, truckers, and adventurers who've already boosted safety, confidence, and peace of mind. Act now, secure yours, and experience worry-free parking, lane changes, and nighttime driving. Don't wait. This is your chance to see everything, everywhere, every time. Safety and clarity are just a click away.